Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another beautiful collection of knitting patterns ideas that will inspire our knitting lover. If you enjoy discovering stylish, creative and elegant knitting designs, then you are in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss our latest knitting inspiration. Now let's explore these amazing knitting patterns ideas together. Take a close look at the first knitting pattern. Notice how beautifully the stitches create a balanced and attractive texture. This pattern has a timeless appearance that makes it suitable for many different knitting projects. The neat stitch arrangement and elegant finish give it a professional look that both beginners and experienced knitters can appreciate. As we move to the next design, you can see another unique knitting pattern with its own beautiful texture and style. Every stitch adds character to the fabric, creating an eye-catching design that looks both modern and classic. Small details in knitting often make the bigger difference, and this pattern is perfect example of that. Here comes another lovely knitting pattern featuring a creative combination of stitches. The texture is soft, detailed, and visually appealing. Patterns like this allow knitters to experiment with different techniques while production elegant results that stand out from ordinary knitting designs. So if you are new here, please subscribe our channel, like and share. Now take a moment to admire these beautiful patterns. The stitch definition is clean and uniform, giving the fabric a refined appearance. Whether you enjoy knitting as a hobby or create handmade pieces professionally, patterns like this can become wonderful additions to your designs collections. The next knitting pattern offers another fresh and stylish look. The repeating stitch sequence creates an attractive rhythm throughout the fabric, making the overall design both relaxing to knit and beautiful to admire. Simple stitch combinations can often create extraordinary patterns when arranged with creativity. As more designs appear on your screen, notice how every pattern has its own personality. Some patterns create raised textures, while others offer smooth geometric effects or elegant flowing stitch lines. Each one demonstrates the endless creativity that knitting makes possible. This collection includes patterns that range from delicate and minimal to bold and high textured. Every design reflects patience, precision, and craftsmanship. The beauty of knitting lies in transforming simple strands of yarn into detailed works of art through carefully placed stitches. Look carefully at the stitch structure in these designs. The balance between texture and symmetry creates an impressive visual effect. Patterns like these can inspire countless knitting projects while helping knitters build their own collection of favorite stitch designs. Here is another attractive knitting pattern feature, beautifully stitched repetition. Consistency in every row gives the fabric a polished finish. The combination of depth and texture makes this design both elegant and satisfying to look at. If you're near here, please subscribe our channel. You can share it with your friends and crochet lovers. Please like our channel. The next pattern introduces a different style that highlights the versatility of knitting. Even with simple stitches, thoughtful arrangement creates completely new visual effects. This one of the reason knitting continues to inspire people around the world generation after generation. Each new pattern show in this collection offers fresh inspiration for your next knitting project. Some designs appear soft and delicate, while others create bold textured surface with remarkable depth. Every pattern demonstrates how creativity and careful stitch placements can completely transform the final appearance. As you continue watching, pay attention to the finer details within each stitch pattern. Notice the symmetry, the flowing lines, the raised textures and beautiful combinations that makes every design unique. Sometimes a single pattern can inspire many completely different handmade creations. These are really beautiful patterns that are trendy in every era and period of time. So watch whole video till the end. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel. Knitting is not only about creating fabric, it is also about expressing creativity through texture, structure and beautiful stitch arrangements. Every pattern shown here represents countless possibilities and encourages new ideas for future knitting projects. The variety in today's collections demonstrates that there is always something new to discover in the world of knitting. Whether you prefer elegant textures, classic stitch designs, modern geometric patterns, or intricate decorative piece effects, there is inspiration here for every knitting enthusiast. Thank you so much for watching today's collection of beautiful knitting patterns ideas. We hope these stunning designs have inspired you and give you fresh ideas for your future knitting projects. Let's know in the comment which knitting patterns you like the most. Your feedback always helps us create even more inspiring collection for you. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. Keep exploring new knitting patterns, keep creating beautiful handmade designs and keep enjoying the wonderful art of knitting. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video with our another amazing collection of knitting pattern ideas. Until next time, happy knitting and thank you for watching this whole video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.